This is a step-by-step guide to making and maintaining a universal credit claim online. Your partner will now need to make their own claim for universal credit, following all of the previous steps. They will be asked to provide the linking code that you have been sent, as explained in the video labeled single or joint claim, as well as your first name and postcode to make sure that their account is linked to the correct one for you. Your partner will need to provide details of their income, health, savings, nationality, housing, and so on. Then they will be able to see all of your to-do items. To confirm all of their details, your partner can click the "Confirm your details are correct" link. You will be provided a summary of all the details that you and your partner have entered, with an option to agree or change the details on each entry if necessary. If everything is correct, you will be able to go on to your commitment, which outlines the responsibilities you need to meet to receive universal credit, as well as your declaration, which represents the final step of your claim. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.